pure. Ite, ni ngangata ni sume. Hau mea sa hanua. Mafuta whangi. E ange o te mamtua. Paru kau. E na ngangata. Matau se mafkatua. Laila inya. Kamane Rotuma. Imo. Mamata la se xiao. Terus, halo.
Oh, dia terus afo. Oh ya dia kasambur. Ya.
Chair of the Council, the chiefs and the elders of Rotuma. I've been given this task of just mentioning a few points regarding the system that has been generously donated by our partners from DFED. The ministry, your ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management is aligning its plans towards the promotion of alternative sources of energy to the ministry's 10-year strategic development plan. So that's happening all around the country as we try to align to those development plans and preferring clean and renewable energy sources. The National Disaster Management Office has worked together with the Office of the Divisional Commissioner Eastern to ensure that it achieves 100% electrical generation through renewable energy by 2026. Given this commitment, I'll be handing over 14 solar systems for 11 evacuation centers on the island. This will ensure that the 11 evacuation centers are provided electrification and lighting during and after a disaster. In addition, an alternative source of electrification will ensure the safety and security of affected communities during times of disaster. It will certainly mitigate any concern on safety that usually arises during the occupation of evacuation centers. Names of 11 evacuation centers that will be assisted with solar systems. Other 3 systems will be installed in DO Rotuma Emergency Operations Center and Rotuma Health Centers. Evacuation centers that will be assisted are at Paptea, Oinafa, Lokta, Malahaha, Itumuta, Pepj, Noatau, Juju, Chrysler King Primary School, Itutiu, and Ahau Pavilion. So those are the 11 centers that will be assisted with this assistance. It's expected to benefit a total of 1,120 people in those 11 evacuation centers. Now, William, so we thank our DFED partners once again, and everybody's concerned who's been involved in that work. And I think by now we'll hand over to the communities, and we ask the Commissioner if you can light it up for us.